Okay, so you guys are back again, huh? Enjoyed my last vlog, is it? And do you remember what I told you last time about your eyes and ears? Yes, exactly. Hold on to that. If you can, let's proceed.
So hello audience and good morning again, and it's the next day and we're drinking tea right now, if you can see. So I just took a bath, that's why my hairs will be wet or something. And yeah, so we're gonna start our tour in like 15 minutes, so we're just getting ready. As you can see, we're wearing so many clothes, full treks. Meet brother. You. So yeah, so we will be starting a tour. Until then, let me drink my chai or tea or whatever you want to call it. I don't know if you guys can see me, but my battery is almost about to die, and now we have to do minimalistic recording because battery is gonna die and there's no charging port up over there. So I'll be recording less, but I'll try to cover everything else. So tea which we had, that is provided free to keep us warm, and this is the torch which we've got to guide our way. And yeah, we'll be walking towards that side. I'm a terrorist from CSGO. We have started. Oh shit, my glass is all foggy. Yeah, so we have started our track, and yeah, so we're moving towards that side. So that's the chanting they do for the god which we are gonna see. So it's like a cave, and in that cave there's this ice, like frozen ice in a specific way, which freezes every year, and it only appear for like 1 month. Like out of all those 12 months, for just 1 month that ice like frozen up there in the shape of a god. So you go all the way up to a mountain inside a cave to see that god's ice frozen structure. That's what. Yeah, so if you guys cannot see me, I'm gonna light myself up. Yes, so we're standing here right now, we're waiting for everyone. We're actually waiting for the doors to open. You can see, look at the crowd that's here. And yes, so we have to go all the way there. Follow my light, 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 and then there, somewhere there's the gate. So we have to enter the gate, and that's when we start our track, our walking for like. And you can see what's the state right now. Everybody's just sticking to each other for no reason. And this is gonna happen for like the next 5 minutes. So yes, we have crossed the gate, and now we are walking towards, follow the light, this side and front. Whew. It's gonna be a long journey. Yeah. So this is how it's gonna be, the entire way. Yes. Only 80% people can complete this track. That's what I've heard. So 20% people are either gonna faint out, die, or just quit in between. Yeah, I'm not kidding. I saw 5 people fainting in the starting itself. So yeah, this is the horse stop, and this is where we're gonna get a horse, and then we're gonna go all the way, follow my light, up there in that mountain, straight up ahead. Yeah, that mountain. Say hi. You. Yeah, so we'll be riding horses now. Cowboy. But the worst part is we're gonna ride them for 6 hours. Like not even ride, just sit on them for 6 hours. So what's up? The cowboy is actually on the horse. What's it, hi? Mummy, say hi. Mummy.
Ignored.
Papa. Hi. You wanna know one more thing? So one more thing is that they're just sitting on the horse. They're not moving along with the horse, because if they move along with the horse, their body will go in the same inertia as the horse's inertia is going. Okay, wait, I just perplexed you or I just complexed you. Wait, so it's not like this. So it's like if they just sit on the horse, they're gonna move along with the horse's ass because of the movement, and hence the body will pain. So what you're supposed to do is like you're supposed to move your pelvic along with the horse. That's the way how you do horse riding as well. And your legs should be like straight, like tiptoe straight. It shouldn't be bending. But you can't do it for 6 hours like until you're some inborn cowboy or something. So yeah, so if anybody's thinking to date me or something, no. So this is gonna be our way of, I mean this is how our date's gonna be. I'm gonna come riding a horse and then I might ride you later on. Okay, that was just too much, I'm sorry. My horse name is Badal, and Badal means cloud. Okay, that's Bala. My mom's riding Bala. That was very double meaning. My mom is riding the horse, which is named as Bala. Okay, you got it. So we're standing at the checking post right now, and they're gonna check me. They're gonna check now, and every time they check, they always touch my hair to just see if it's real or not. This is the entry pass, and this is my sexy pic. So yeah, they're gonna check us, and then we can proceed. So we're done with the checking here. So in the checking, every woman who had a kid, so any kid younger than 13 years is not allowed because of the weather up. So they're stopped at that post, and also few weak people, so that they don't die. Now we are officially starting our trek. You see that? People climbing all over there. That's where we're going. We're going behind this mountain. Yeah. So like last checking, that's done. Like done with all kind of checking, all kind of stuff. Now just put on your cowboy mode and then just ride your horse until you reach somewhere. Yeah. Kashmir, where we are, is called Paradise on Earth. Well, you can see why. And this dangerous stuff. My dad's going all wiggle. Oh, even I'm gonna go like that. Nice. We are on some bridge, which is pretty cool. Look at the bridge. Look at that. That's better than anything else. Whoa! Whoa! Look at that. So sun is rising, and you can see it slowly move. Yeah, look at this. Like this is so risky, and look at that climb. Like it's just so inclinated. For real. Don't slip. There you go. So we're almost done. Ouch, man, legs are numb. I can't move. Okay. Now it's chilling over here. It's so cold. Like we're not even on the top, but it's so cold. My fingers are all numb. Legs. Everything is good. The chocolate is supposed to keep you warm and hot. It's so hot. So chocolate is supposed to keep you hot or warm. But what if the chocolate is cold itself? Think about it. There goes my chocolate.
It's not bad.
So that was it for today, guys. Let's try to aim for 2.45 likes. So hit that like button. So if we can get 2.45 likes, it would be very cool. Keep waiting for the next part of this vlog, and I'll see you next time. Until then, Shinga Ninga. Terminating.